As a civil engineering professional, I'm sure you've experienced designing roads, sites, and other infrastructure using AutoCAD. There is an even better way for you to deliver your civil projects with more efficient design documentation and minimized errors and omissions. How? With Civil 3D BIM for infrastructure software. In today's civil engineering environment, design changes are a reality, making it difficult to maintain tight schedules and keep project budgets on target. In a 2D CAD-based environment, the impact of a design change can be critical to your firm's productivity and efficiency. Let's say you were well into the design of a roadway project and discovered an elevation error in the existing conditions data of your project. In a 2D environment, you would basically have to start your design over. Well, perform this project in Civil 3D, and you would simply address this issue by making an elevation data change in the surface. Because you'd be working with an intelligent 3D model, any change you make to the surface automatically updates any profile and annotation that's associated with the surface. The dynamic model in Civil 3D enables you to easily keep documentation consistent throughout your design. Now, how about when creating a proposed design for a roadway? Working in a 2D environment can be very tedious. Every change you make to a vertical curve in the design has to be redrawn every single time. This can take hours just to design one road. In Civil 3D, the power of the intelligent corridor model allows you to see how changes to one aspect of the road affects the rest of your design. Change the vertical profile of the road and see how it impacts other design elements in the model, like utilities and quantities. What about obtaining earthwork quantities for your design in a 2D environment? Here, Civil 3D provides yet another opportunity to improve efficiencies, because in Civil 3D, earthwork calculations are automatically updated with every change in design, eliminating the need for manual calculation or recalculation. Design errors and rework is another key concern for all civil engineers. The intelligent model in Civil 3D, where civil objects are connected and dynamic to each other, can help. For example, when making stormwater improvements to a roadway project, any design change that is made to a storm inlet along the road is reflected in the model in real time. These changes are also dynamically updated in the construction documentation, including annotations. The intelligent, coordinated model helps to reduce the risk of errors in construction documentation by eliminating the need for manual edits of annotations on multiple sheets. Change it once, change it everywhere. I hope I've convinced you that making the move to BIM with Civil 3D can help to significantly improve your design efficiencies. Explore even more design process innovations by getting Civil 3D in the Autodesk Architecture, Engineering, and Construction collection. The AEC collection gives you access to a rich set of vertical and horizontal BIM software and cloud-connected tools that integrate with Civil 3D, all in one place. Discover the benefits of BIM with the AEC collection and escape from CAD-based inefficiency traps today.